Good morning. Can I help you? Are you looking for someone? Good morning. Yes, I'm looking for Mr. Richmond. I came here to. Oh, hello. I am Mr. Richmond. How can I help you, Mr. Oh, nice to meet you. My name is Chris Salas. We talked on the phone yesterday, Mr. Salas. It's my pleasure. I'm sorry. I don't remember very well. I called you because I saw you were offering people a good opportunity to make a lot of money. Well, you said in a video we could change our lives through investment and personal development. Something about the power of the mind and how powerful we can be if we take the decision. Well, I'm interested in these kind of things. I mean, I want to change my life, sir. Oh, Mr. Salas. Now I remember you. Yes, we talked about that last night. And I'm so happy you took the decision of changing your life, improve your life. And well, welcome to Rich People International Company, the best investment company. Wow, thank you so much. I'm so excited now. And this building is amazing. Well, before we start with this investment process, I want to know more about the company. We talked on the phone and you gave me information, but I need to know more. I mean, that's how it has to be, right? I cannot invest my money without first being very well informed. It seems you're very intelligent. We're looking for people like you to be part of this company. And of course, I will give you all the information so you can invest your money to earn a lot more. As I already told you, we are part of an investment company recognized around the world. We focus on the real estate sector in important parts of modern countries. But no, we are not a real estate company. We are something better than that. Because to invest in real estate, you perfectly know you need to have thousands of dollars. Or sometimes you need to have hundreds of thousands of dollars to start investing. Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. We have solved that huge investment problem. With Rich People Company, you can start investing from only $100. Yeah, you heard well. You only need $100 to start investing with us. Of course, if you want to have more earnings, you will have to invest more money. That's obvious. Wow, that sounds really good. But what do you exactly do with the money? I mean, after I give you $100, for example, what is the process of investment? Oh, sure. You need to be informed about everything. We are a trustworthy company. I'm going to explain the process to you. After you deposit the money, we transfer it to a biggest bank account. All the money of our clients is in this bank account. Then, after doing an intense analysis on the stock market around the world, our investment experts give us a list of the best real estate companies around the world. Then we copy the shares that this company has and invest in it. Isn't that amazing? That was a little confusing. I really don't get it. You said you're not a real estate company, but you invest in it. I don't understand. The only thing you need to understand is that you will earn a lot of money with this investment. We have over 10,000 people working with us already. You can trust us. Yes, but how can I make sure I won't lose my money? Because I am sure it has risk, right? All investments have risk. I think we'll agree with that. But you don't have anything to worry about. It is 99% sure you will earn good money with us. Look at this place. This is a luxury building. Do you think we could afford it if we didn't have a lot of money? I also have my money invested in this company. You have to believe me. You won't regret it. Yeah, probably. You're right. This seems to be a great opportunity. I will start with $100 then. I have more money saved, but I will invest it later. Only $100? I think you don't understand the great opportunity it is. I will explain it to you. If you invest $100, your profits will be $10. But if you invest $1,000, your profit will be $200. This is because the profit percentage increases if you increase the investment. So, if you only want to earn $10, that's okay. It's up to you. I can't tell you anything. But if you want to earn a lot of money, then I will recommend you to invest at least $10,000. If you invest 10,000, your profit will be $3,000. Now, if you have $100,000, then at the end of the year, you will earn $50,000 only in a period of 6 months. That's incredible, right? $50,000 in only 6 months? I can't believe that. You're kidding. Well, it's up to you. But let me tell you something. This is the decision I told you about. We only have one chance to change our lives. And this, my friend, is your only chance. In just 4 years, you can become a millionaire. You won't ever have to worry about money again. I don't have $100,000, but I can mortgage my house. Only if you promise I will become a millionaire in 4 years. This is amazing. Of course, you're taking the right decision. Or not, guys. Yes, what do you say, guys? We can make another video with the results of the investment. If you want it, please like this video and let us know in the comments. Thank you so much. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.